Life is changing. Kids are no longer kids, and adults are gray and old. Trees, plants, and flowers are growing and blooming, but some are dying. They start singing, and you stop singing. Their story is starting, and yours is ending. They are building their own family, and you're losing your own without knowing. There are things that you usually do that you need to refrain from doing. There are people that you need to let go because they will never grow. There are times that we called home no longer be our home because we need to build what we called our own. Change is the only thing that is constant, as they say, just like the clouds that changing form before our very eye. People we meet and people we love. Some will stay and some will say goodbye. But we need to move along because whatever we've shared, they are all part of yesterday. We love, we care. Some will love and care you back, and some might just forget. But what the heck? Life must go on. Love again. Care again. Live again. Things change. Places change. People change. And you need to change as well. Let the pain of change carry you to the new possibilities. New life. New beginning. Don't beg. Don't be coward. Don't let the changes taken yourself away. Stand firm. Face your own demons. Struggle for a while, but fight and do it right. Trust the Creator who knows the past, the present, and the future. You will be caught for a while. Your wings will be broken, but soon you will fly. Don't regret things in the past because it's part of the changes. Cry if you're hurt. Feel the pain. Shout and let it all out until you become breathless. Then wipe away your tears. Stand up, tap your shoulder, and tell yourself, you'll be okay. Pain is suffocating. Just breathe. It will go away. Just like the change, it will be gone in time. Yes, oh yes, your life is changing. So what? It's just like the other chapters of your life in the past. Look back for good memories that will remind you that you've lived the life and loved that lasts. Face the present with courage, with new hope, and live as if you haven't lived. Challenge the future. Welcome it with open arms. Walk straight with head high and bid the past